We're going to show you the secret behind writing website content that gets results. When it comes to online marketing, there are a lot of things you need to know. But one thing that's always been universal across all platforms is great content. Now, before we start, let us tell you why this video is so important for your business. Great quality content will help bring more traffic and conversions, which in turn brings more money into your pocket and allows you to grow your business faster than ever before. So what separates good website content from the bad is the focus on the reader. If you only talk about yourself or your products and services, then your readers will become disinterested because they don't see what's in it for them. If you really want to see results, you have to talk about the reader. How do you do this? By emphasizing benefits, not just features. Features are important because they set your product apart from the competition. But you need to show how each feature produces a tangible benefit for the user. By discussing benefits, you paint a picture of how the customer's life will be improved through using your products or service. Imagine you're selling a cloud service that offers a large amount of storage. It's important to tell the potential customer exactly how much storage you're offering. But it's just as important to emphasize that you can access all your files anywhere, anytime. This takes the specs and shows how they produce a change in your user's life that they can feel. So let's say you offer high-tech appliances that make cooking easy. While you explain the features in the specs, also point out that they can have a great meal on the table quickly and with little effort. If you're offering a low-calorie snack product, tell the customer they can eat it and still look their best. Or if your products are all ethically sourced, tell them they can enjoy what you offer and also feel good about themselves. To put it simply, people don't buy because of features. It's the benefits and the dream of a better tomorrow that actually urges someone to buy. So learn to write your content with this in mind, rolling each feature into a benefit, and you'll really drive your message home. If you'd like more tips like this, consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.